My name is David Lloyd and I am the owner of Miza Home Security. I have been installing Prowler Proof security screens since 2005, so close to 20 years. The customer wanted maximum security and airflow with unobstructed views of their pool and backyard. ForceField has welded corners, which is tough, and large open areas for ventilation and visibility. I use performance plus strikers and concealed fixed interlocks. On the upstairs floor, there were restrictors on all openings. So with ForceField, they were allowed to remove all restriction and allow the windows to open freely. The customer ended up choosing black texture, which they were very happy with.